Liposuction is a pretty amazing procedure. You can take fat from any part of the body and ultimately remove it. And the best part is you're able to contour or recontour a patient to give them the looks that they want.
The way that liposuction works is that we use something called a cannula. A cannula is a thin tube, okay, that's attached to suction. And usually we do this under some level of anesthesia. And the key is to remove it in a way that looks natural, doesn't look lumpy, bumpy, and it can be done practically anywhere where there's fat.
Traditionally, when liposuction was first happening, they just took small cannulas or big cannulas and they just tried to remove fat. And what ultimately happened was they would leave contour irregularities, which are like divots. It would cause a lot of bruising, a lot of bleeding. As time has gone on, we now know how to do it pretty effectively without having a lot of bleeding, without having a lot of bruising. Can do multiple body parts at one time versus just one body part. You can do skin tightening at the same time, which is pretty amazing. So not only can you remove all the fat, but you can ultimately tighten the skin at the same time. So you're getting two bangs with one buck, and it's pretty amazing.
A liposuction, depending on where we're doing and how much we're doing, will really dictate on what that recovery is like. Typically, regardless of where we're treating, you have to wear some compression garments to help manage swelling. A lot of times we'll have patients have lymphatic massage afterwards to help expedite the loss of swelling. Most of the swelling that's present will be gone probably about a month, but every single drop can take up to 3 to 6 months to go away. You're gonna be able to move, walk around. The more you move, the better. And so it just depends on kind of where we've treated and the extent of how we've done things. But the nice thing is you don't have to heal a big incision. And I think that is something that, from a standpoint of recovering and getting back to normal daily life in the gym, is really shortened.